I'm a dentist for more than 20 years, and I work with AB for more than 12 years. They have very good implants and all the prosthetic materials, but the main advantage that they have is the service. Several months ago we started to work with HydrOsseo's device that give me the opportunity to make the implant hydrophilic and improve the osseointegration. I see the healing, it's better, and we have less failure of implants. The HydrOsseo's also give me the opportunity to treat patient with diabetes and other systemic problems. I would recommend every dentist to put this HydrOsseo's in the clinic. It's very effective, and it's only 1 minute long, the operation, but it gives you a hydrophilic implant with all the advantage that we talk about.